there was one grandmother who wised me up to something I was doing. As a campus, like many campuses around the country, we always did things like donuts with dad, muffins with mom, and grandparents' day. And a grandmother came to me one day and said, I hate your muffins with mom event that you do for around Mother's Day. And I said, I'm so sorry. Like, why? And she said, because I have raised my grandson since he was born. I'm essentially his mother. But I can't come to that because those other mamas are going to talk about me because they know I'm not his mother. And every year he bawls his eyes out because I will not come into it. And I realized that our job as educators is to be inclusive, not exclusive. And it didn't mean that I had to eliminate the event, but it meant that I could rethink the name to make it more inclusive. We no longer do Grandparents' Day at my school. We do Grand Friends' Day because a lot of kids have had their grandparents pass away and it's a really difficult day. So bring a grand friend. We don't do muffins with mom or donuts with dad. We do dinner with a gentleman and tea with a lady, where any man or woman involved in that child's life can come and be a part. Because sometimes it's the children's pastor or the grandfather or the neighbor or the older brother who's only 2 years older than them, who's the only person pouring into their life. Why can't they be part of that event that before was so exclusive with the term mother, when you look at your student population, about 50% have people in their lives who are more of a mother or father than that title will ever give them. That's why this isn't called parent engagement. It's called family engagement, because we got to be thinking about that.